السلام عليكم، وأهلا وسهلا بكم أحبائي الصغار، في فيديو جديد، على قناتكم قناة عبقور.
My friends. Listen to the children.
Hello, I'm Omar. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Rima.
Or, instead of I'm, you can say my names, followed by your name.
Hello, I'm Omar. What's your name?
Hello, my name's Rima.
Learn. Hello. What's your name? I'm Rima. My name's Rima. I'm is short for I am. It is the first person singular form of the verb to be. In English, we often use short forms like I'm when we are speaking. I am, I'm. Name is, names.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Vocabulary. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Write. Count and write. Excellent. Count and write. Well done. Count and write. Good job. Count and write. Excellent. Count and write. Well done. Count and write. Excellent. Count and write. Excellent. Count and write. Well done. Count and write. Good job. Count and write. Excellent.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
How old are you? I'm 9 years old. In English, the verb to be is used to talk about someone's age. We say I'm 8, not I have 8. Homework. See you later.